Hey everyone, Matt from Berkshire Products. Today, we're going to take a look at the latest load of logs we received, which came off a landscaping job in central Connecticut. The load consists of a mix of oak and poplar logs. Today, we're going to focus on how we set up and begin sawing the butt end of this massive red oak. The butt log measures 50 inches in diameter on the small end, 60 inches on the big end, and is 14 feet in length and weighs just under 13,000 pounds. Maneuvering the giant butt log is tricky since we're close to the maximum weight the wheel loader can handle. Half-inch chains are wrapped around the log and lifted by the loader. This is the safest and easiest way to move the log since the log won't roll or slip. The log is lowered onto the deck of the mill and the chains are removed. The sides of the log have been bunked up with 6x6s to stop it from moving during cutting. The mill we use is a Wood-Mizer 1000, which can saw up to 6 feet in diameter, and our setup can saw up to 20 feet in length. We'll be sawing this log through and through at 10 quarters or 2.5 inches thick. When the slabs are removed from the mill, they are stickered and stacked, where they will air dry until they have an average moisture content of around 20%. At this point, all the free water has been removed and the slabs are put into our vacuum kiln until they reach 6 to 8% moisture content. After the kiln process, we will flatten each slab and photograph it and list it for sale on our website. This whole process can take 1 to 2 years depending on the species of wood and thickness. If you are interested in viewing our inventory of live edge slabs, you can visit us at berkshireproducts.com